What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're gonna compare the OnePlus 9 Pro versus the iPhone 12 Pro versus the Huawei P40 Pro camera comparison. Now, this is mainly focused on images, but I decided to show you guys a quick video comparison. Now, this is the front camera, all shooting 4K 30 FPS. So guys, let me know which one you think looks best. Also guys, this will be a blind test video, meaning that I won't tell you what camera is recording, which side it's on, all of that. So base this in mind, guys. One phone, for example, the iPhone could be on the right side, the OnePlus could be in the middle, the P40 could be on the left. That's the idea. I think it's just way more fun doing blind tests because you guys actually get to choose which one you think looks best at the end of the video. So don't cheat, watch the full video. Now, all these cameras are recording in 4K 30 FPS. Also, this is gonna be a good time to see the audio quality as well. So I'll be switching out the audio. So let me know down below in the comments what phone has the better audio quality. It's also very cloudy outside today, but I wanted to do a little drip check. Boy, if you don't. But let's do a little drip check. So we got the Air Max 90s on. Super white, the vibes. But now let's test out stabilization. So I'm gonna run a little bit and you guys just tell me what phone is more stable. I'm literally I'm running full speed. Boom. Now at the front gate, and as I said before, one phone will be on the right, one in the middle, one on the left. Alright, so yeah, keep that in mind as we go throughout this video. And the same positions will be for the cameras as well. Alright guys, now it's your time to shine. Since the video has started, one phone has been on the left, one phone has been in the middle, and one phone has been on the right. At the end of the video, we'll reveal what phone was what. But before we jump into all the different camera comparisons, let's first talk about some specs. Okay, so the OnePlus 9 Pro is the latest device here, came out this month, March 2021, and it has a main camera of 48 megapixels, an ultra-wide camera of 50 megapixels, and a telephoto camera of 8 megapixels. Oh yeah, don't forget the front-facing camera, 60 megapixels. Now, jumping over to the iPhone 12 Pro camera specs, this phone was released in November 2020. It has a main camera of 12 megapixels, ultra-wide camera 12 megapixels, and a telephoto camera of 12 megapixels. Okay, so the front-facing camera is also 12 megapixels. So yeah, 12 megapixels right throughout, but don't get it twisted. It still looks good. It's not all about the megapixels. Okay guys, last but not least, we have the Huawei P40 Pro, and this phone was actually released in April of 2020, so almost 1 year now, and they're partnered with Leica for their camera. The main camera has 50 megapixels, 40 megapixels ultra wide, and a 12 megapixel telephoto camera. And the front camera is a big boy, 32 megapixels. It also has two cameras at the front. It's crazy. Alright, so now it's time to see what Hasselblad has cooked up with OnePlus and see what Huawei did with Leica and iPhone with their computational photography. Without any further ado, guys, let's get started.
Just wanna dance, want a simple romance, nothing more, nothing less from you. Just take the night, then we leave when it's like nothing wrong, it's alright with you. No ties, no price, no need, so free. I don't care what you say, what you do, how you feel, as long as you can show me a good time. I don't need promises, honestly, no big deal, as long as you can show me a good time. I don't care. Oh, 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 oh. And the fanciest things couldn't make me believe in us. I'm here for pleasure, so don't you put pressure on me to give into us. All I need is short-term devotion. I don't wanna be so emotional. Just wanna dance, want a simple romance, nothing more, nothing less from you. No ties, no price, no need, so free. I don't care what you say, what you do, how you feel, as long as you can show me a good time. I don't need promises, honestly, no big deal, as long as you can show me a good time. I don't care. Oh, 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 oh. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause you and me won't last long. Just stay with me for a drink and show me a good time.
Alright guys, we're back, and that was a crazy comparison. It might have been hard, it might have been a dead giveaway, but to me, like, the shots were just, sometimes I wanted to go for iPhone, sometimes I wanted to go for OnePlus, sometimes I wanted to go for Huawei. To me, it's just crazy how good these cameras are. So before I tell you guys the results, pause the video, comment down below what you guys think. Do not cheat. Comment down below which was which. Was it the iPhone on the left, Huawei in the middle, OnePlus on the right? Comment down below now, and the person I see with the right comment will win my icon pack, and I'll choose the winner at random. So make sure you comment down below, all right? So on the right, who'd have guessed it, we had the iPhone 12 Pro, the videos, images, the iPhone 12 Pro was on the right all along. Who got it? Let me know down below in the comments. In the middle, we had the Huawei P40 Pro. From the videos to the images, Huawei P40 Pro was in the middle. And last but not least, on the left side, we had the OnePlus 9 Pro. Was it obvious? Let me know down below in the comments. But yeah, that's your results, guys. iPhone on the right, Huawei in the middle, and then the OnePlus on the left. Overall, I think they're all fantastic cameras, and some of them are newer, some of them are older, but to me, my personal favorite like UI design was the OnePlus. I just love how OnePlus made their camera UI. Everything is in the camera app, the settings, all that stuff. For example, the iPhone, some settings you have to go into the settings app, then go into the camera app. And for the Huawei, for example, the self timer, you have to go into the settings, then add that self timer. iPhone had that self timer built in. OnePlus had that self timer built in right at your fingertips. It's just the small details I love about the OnePlus. Like, listen to the camera shutter. Sounds just like Hasselblad lens. The one thing I don't like is this button. I think they should have made it white, because sometimes I think I'm recording a video, but that's because the Hasselblad button is this kind of orange color, but that is super cool. Yeah, let me know what you guys think of this camera comparison. It was really fun. Let me know if you want me to compare the OnePlus 9. What other phone should I compare the OnePlus 9 to? Because this video was just fun for me. I don't know why. But as always, guys, love, peace, and tweaks. Signing out.